Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a discount code to your Wix site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard for one of my Wix stores, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can do this. Now, the type of your site needs to be a store, or you need to add the app for a store, or the component. When you're creating a site, it doesn't need to be an actual store for this option to be available, similar to how you would create a blog or anything else while you're setting up the site, or if you're adding new pages, you can very easily add the store in the editor. Now, once you've done that, these here options will be available to you. You can go into sales, and you can go into gift cards or gift card sales, and you can set up a gift card from there, or you can go into catalog and select the gift cards, and then there you'll be able to add gift cards if you want to. However, as you can see, you need to first go into the editor and publish your site to add these, so keep that in mind. And the other thing you can do, you can go into marketing over in the down left, hover over discounts and go into coupons. And as you can see, once I open that up, you can create a discount if you want to. You can add a new coupon, for example, add it like this, a discount, the coupon code, which is, I don't know, tutorial coupon, make that the code. Coupon name, I'll just keep it the same, just as an example. Apply to all forms, and apply it once per order, or apply to each eligible item in the order. And you can set the valid date or the between date. You can not set the end date. You can. It completely depends on you, and you can limit the uses if you want to a certain number of uses for the coupon, and limit it to 1 use per customer if you want to. But once you're done with that, you can create a coupon. You can select the discount as well, for example 20%, and then just click create coupon, and as you can see, it has created it. And now you have a well, this is 20 of the certain what's it called, 20 of the certain currency that I'm currently at. If I go into edit, you can possibly select a percentage. However, I don't know how. It looks like you can only set the discount for the currency, so I'll add, for example, to 2000, click save, and now it is a 2000 discount on your currency. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.